Hey, this is Carmen with Get Educated. Today we're going to be replacing the glass touch sensor for the Bally SG TwinStar button deck. Let's get into it. Before we begin, it is important to follow the E.S.D safety procedures. If you don't know what that is or you just need a refresher, there's a link in the description below. The tools that you'll need are a number 1 and number 2 Phillips head screwdriver or bit and a 9/32 nut driver. We suggest a container or magnet to hold the screws and nuts. Place your button deck on the E.S.D mat. For the purpose of this instruction video, make sure the curved part of the button deck is facing you. Using your number 2 Phillips, unscrew the 4 screws to remove the top cover. Go ahead and lift off the top cover and set it to the side. With your 9/32 nut driver, unscrew the 4 nuts on the left and right side of the panel. With the number 1 Phillips nut driver, unscrew the 2 screws located on the top and bottom of the LCD panel. With a small flathead or your fingernail, unclip and remove the 3 ribbons connected to the panel. And clear the ribbons from the LCD panel. Carefully lift the LCD panel and remove it from the touch sensor. Remove the touch sensor from the workstation. Now, place the new touch sensor on the E.S.D mat. Grab the LCD unit and align the 4 bolts in each hole before setting the panel down. Reattach the ribbon on the right side by clipping it into the top circuit board. Carefully tuck the excess ribbon into the unit and secure it with some E.S.D tape. Attach the 2 remaining ribbons by snapping them into the top circuit board. And secure these ribbons with more E.S.D tape. Using your number 1 Phillips head, secure the top and bottom screws of the panel. With your 9/32 nut driver, screw the 4 nuts located on the top left and right hand side. Place the top cover back on the LCD panel and, using your number 2 Phillips head, screw the 4 screws to secure the cover. And that's it! Your TwinStar button deck is repaired and ready to play. To purchase either the glass touch sensor, GETT part 3244H, or the full panel, GETT part LCDM 245 for the Bally SG TwinStar, follow the links in the description below. Please remember to like and subscribe for more. Until next time. GETT part 3244P, H, 3244H. I can do it again. 3244. Unsecure these ribbons. That'll be the weird one. Unsecure these ribbons with more E.S.D tape. With more E.S.D tape. That's right. Do it. Secure them. Place the top cover panel. I'm not done talking. It's just the beginning. It's just the beginning of the... All right. Like, what is happening? Like, and... It's okay. I would love it. Like, what if I just edit? Just shot out.
Awesome.
That would be kind of cool. Like and subscribe.